Hi, I'm Marna, and once again I want to remind you about the challenge I put out to the doll community on YouTube. Doll community everywhere, actually. The week between October 25th and October 31st, let's flood YouTube with Monster High videos. Anything. Openings, telling about them, showing your collection, hacks, crafts, clothes, anything. I have a little hack for you now that might help you with your getting your girls ready for the challenge. And that is, I bought these little earrings, and they are wire earrings. My dolls came with their ears pierced. These big Monster Highs do, and they have big holes. And regular earrings will fall out, but I tried some fish hook or hook earrings that I bought at Walmart. There were 6 pair for $4. You can also find these at thrift stores, etc. And what I did was I squoze that fish hook smaller, just with my hand very carefully. And I put that inside the hole, and it sat just right. Now I want to find some spiders or spider webs or something like that. Anyway, October 25th through the 31st, I hope you will join us all. It's really going to be fun. I know I'm looking forward to seeing what everyone does with their Monster High dolls. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment about the week. Do you plan to participate? Have you told others about it? And please subscribe.